Alright, I got this hose adapter thing off of Etsy. I knocked it and this thing broke off to find that it was printed a little bit cheaply. They weren't going to do anything for me, so I was going to print my own part. But I realized that it would cost like $50 or something of filament and 3 days of time. So, and buying something else is like $100. I'll try and fix it. And I got some from the Newmarket Public Library because I did their certification course before I found out that it would take 3 days to print something similar to this. And so let's see if we can use the soldering iron to melt the stuff and see if it'll work. So let's see if we can, if this will melt. Yeah, so it'll melt. Ventilation on. Alright, let's try to fix this. Push down.